Hey there, this is Phillips from Jarrett Ford in Davenport. I'm one of the senior consultants here, and I want to talk to you about a new FordPass and Sync Connect. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. Open your FordPass app that you download to your smartphone, and you can unlock the doors. And it's going to go ahead, it'll send the signal up to the satellite, and it'll send the signal and it'll lock the car. Now it told me a notification, my doors are locked. Last thing I want to show you is how you can remote start your car. Press and hold on the start engine button. It's going to go ahead, do the same thing, and send the signal back up, and it's going to remote start the vehicle for us here. That easy. So when you open your FordPass app here, just by clicking on vehicle details, I can see how much gas is in my car, where it's parked, enhanced monitoring. I can see my oil life percentage, tire pressure indicators, and if there's any warnings that kick on that I need to know about, which is great. From here, I can also activate my vehicle hotspot for those vehicles that do come with the embedded modem service. And I can also schedule my future service visits, so I don't have to worry about waiting on hold. I can just do everything right from the app, schedule my next oil change, and be in and out and on my way again. You have your vehicle glove box, where you can access support, more information, and run health reports about your vehicle. In addition to those features, you have Find feature, which allows you to find nearby fuel, parking, dealerships, all these things to help you find places that are relevant for you that you need. Your FordPass app guides button right here. You go ahead and you click on it, and you've got access to a live person anytime you have questions about your vehicle. You can access it by calling or doing a chat or an email to the FordPass guide system. Your new account management button. You'll have your profile. You can see your FordPass perks as you start to accrue perks from using your FordPass and scheduling your maintenance and service visits through there. You can link it to your Ford credit and manage your payments that way. You can also link your FordPass wallet, so you can add your own credit card and use it to prepay for parking at different locations. You have your emergency flasher button right here. So if you need roadside assistance, it's right here at your fingertips. You can directly call them or make an appointment request. Thanks for watching today with us. For this and more tips, stay with us on this channel, or you can come here to I-4 and 27, exit 55 in Davenport, where any of our specialists will be able to help you out. Or you can come visit us online at JarrettGordonFordDavenport.com, where you'll find a YouTube link to our channel. See you next time, and drive safe.